The roller screen is a screening equipment composed of multiple screen shafts arranged in parallel. Each shaft of it is equipped with a self-cleaning device, which can keep the screen disc clean and prevent blockage. The roller screen, with its precisely calculated and arranged screen disc structure, can accurately separate the feed into large particles, qualified materials, and small particles. This ensures that each type of material can be sent to the most suitable subsequent process, thereby significantly improving the purity of the final product and the overall process efficiency. Our roller screen is widely used in various industries such as coal mining, aggregates, metallurgy, cement plants, chemical processing, and bulk material handling.